Nukazuke 101. How to make Nukazuke rice bran pickles. That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of Live Wiser, Not Smarter. So, what is Nukazuke? Nukazuke is rice bran pickles. It is Japanese fermented food. And Nukazuke is wonderful because it boosts the nutritional value of vegetables by fermenting vegetables in rice bran. It boosts the nutritional value of vegetables. And it has prebiotics, so vegetable contain fiber, so it has prebiotics. And it has a unique probiotic butyrate-producing bacteria, which is known as longevity bacteria, because butyrate-producing bacteria was discovered abundant in the gut of Japanese centenarians, especially the senior citizens living in Kyotango region, which has 3 times as many centenarians as the national average. And in the last video, I shared with you how to make Nukadoko, which means rice bran pickling bed. So you need Nukadoko to make Nukazuke. So today, I'll share with you how to make Nukazuke using Nukadoko. So how to put vegetables into Nukadoko. So please watch the video until the end. Thank you. Those of you who just discovered this video, this is the Ikigai Diet channel, which is a health and longevity channel. We usually cover things like diet, exercise, mindset, and sometimes Japanese blue zones, because there are several blue zones in Japan other than Okinawa, and we cover traditional Japanese health method and modern Japanese health trends such as sauna. And this is the channel about how to increase health span, especially for people over 50 or 60. So if you're interested, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So, how to make Nukazuke, how to put vegetables into Nukadoko, it's very easy and simple. So, these are the vegetables that you want to ferment. In my case, I'm just fermenting cucumber, carrot, and an eggplant. So, you just squeeze them into Nukadoko like that. So, for cucumber, you just put it all the way down inside. You just cover everything with rice bran, and then carrot, the same thing. You just put the whole thing inside and cover everything, and then the same with eggplant. You just put it all inside, and then cover the top with cover the top with rice bran. You cover everything with rice bran. And then make sure that you clean the edge. If there are extra rice bran, you just wipe them and then put it. And then make the surface flat like that. Yeah, that's it. And basically, you leave this for 1 or 2 days. I usually, for this size of vegetable, I usually leave about 2 days, and then you can eat them. And then once a day, you want to mix the Nukadoko. when you put vegetables, some people apply a little salt on the surface, just put a little bit of salt and then put the vegetables into Nukadoko. I usually don't put salt because I don't want to make it too salty, but sometimes salt helps the fermentation process. So some people put salt. So if you want, you can do that. And for the eggplant, you may want to cut into half, just like that, so that maybe kind of helps the fermentation because the eggplant, it takes longer to ferment. I just put the whole eggplant, but you can cut into half like that if you're fermenting an eggplant. That's it for today. And then in the next video, I'll share with you how to take the vegetable out of Nukadoko and how to eat them. Okay, so thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of Live Wiser, Not Smarter. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And please leave your comment. Have you made Nukazuke? And if you have, how do you make Nukazuke? What vegetable do you put in? How long do you put in? Please share your experiences in the comment below. Thank you. Well, I will see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai!